Yung he, si Jesus kasi yon. So, ganyan tayo. He. Si Jesus kasi nagsasalita eh. Yung said, ganyan, alam na natin yon. To them, so them, ganun lang, tinuro, no? Them. Yung go, alam na rin natin, go, like this. Tapos yung all, alam na rin natin itong all. Okay, world, ganun din, pero naka-W, and then world. Okay. Yung preach, ganyan, preach, preach, parang nakikita niyo, teacher, preach. Okay. Yung gospel, ganito siya. Medyo, kasi God's word yung gospel, ano? So, ganyan, tapos ganon, and then, parang kukonek. Yan ang gospel. Okay. All, tapos yung creation niya is, ganyan, creation. Okay. Ulitin natin, ha, naaalala niyo yung gospel, medyo mahirap yung, ano
Oo
niya,
nga,
no,
mahirap
triangle
nga,
roots niya.
teacher.
Ganyan muna, tapos ganyan, and then,
Slow-mo nga, teacher, slow-mo.
okay, nagka-connect po.
Nagkaka-connect, alright.
Oo, ganyan, tapos dalawang beses, i-connect mo. One, yan. Gospel kasi, gano'n, mahaba yung ano niya eh.
Alright.
Ganyan, tapos, okay. All creation. Sige, ulitin natin ha. Subukan natin gawin lahat. Okay, Mark 16:15, he said to them, go into all the world and preach the gospel to all creation.
Ah,
Mark 16:15. Medyo
wow,
mahirap
that's a
yung
little
gospel.
difficult.
Okay.
Pero, okay.